Welcome to our guide on setting up weather station. Today we'll walk you through the process step by step. Start by stripping the outer shear off the M12 cable and connect the wires. The M12A pin connector simplifies power and data connection. And when using RS485, only 4 wires are needed, which are white, blue, brown, and red. The wires in different color provide power and data communication. Find yourself an AC adapter. I'm using extension cord for the data cable. To initiate Modbus RTU communication, connect the M12 data cable to the RS485 port of the data logger, providing power at 12 volt to 24 volt. For longer cable length, use a 24 volt 2A power supply. To monitor your data remotely, log into our cloud platform at remotemonitor.com. Click on Sensors and choose Weather Station. Click New to add your device. Enter the name of your device. Under Gateway, select MQTT if you are using our 4G LTE eSIM router, or choose TCP if you are using our serial device server. For equipment type, select the model of your weather station. In the MQTT gateway selection, choose the relevant gateway you previously added. Once complete, your weather station will show up in the list. Click Check to monitor the atmosphere conditions. To set up your own MQTT gateway, go to the Gateway selection on the left sidebar. Choose MQTT Gateways. And click New. Enter your device name and serial number. Select Other Transparent Transmission. Then click Confirm. And that's a wrap. Got any question? Feel free to leave a comment or shoot us an email. Thanks for watching.